Standing at the crossroads of faith and deepest fear, so afraid of failing if you move on from here. The road ahead is steep, but you're not giving up, 'cause God's about to take you to a brand new place of trust. Take a step of faith. It's time to move. Lay aside your fears and watch what God would do. There's victory ahead. That mountain's not too high. Friend, hold on, 'cause you're about to climb. Higher heights await you beyond what you have dreamed, and they're yours for the taking if you dare to believe. So leave your doubts behind and let God make you brave, 'cause He has gone before you and He's already made a way. Take a step of faith. It's time to move. Lay aside your fears and watch what God would do. There's victory ahead. That mountain's not too high. Friend, hold on, 'cause you're about to climb. You may feel you can't go on. It just seems too hard, but put your hand in His. He will take you to the star. Take a step of faith. It's time to move. Lay aside your fears and watch what God would do. There's victory ahead. That mountain's not too high. Friend, hold on, 'cause you're about to climb.